Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. You can also just go to search bar and type your task manager and click here to open it. So we need to just untask the Chrome. So find out the Google Chrome and right click on it and select untask. Once done, just close the window, then right click on the Chrome application, go to show more options and open its properties. Once we are here, we need to go to compatibility and we need to select this compatibility mode, that is run this program in compatibility mode for. Expand these and we need to select the highest operating system. In my system it's available Windows 10. In your system it can be Windows 10, so select the highest one, then click on apply and then OK. Now simply right click on the start icon, select run. Now type your percent local app data percent and hit enter. Now open Google folder, open Chrome folder, open user data folder, and here you will get default folder. You can take a backup of this folder, just copy it and paste it somewhere because we need to delete this folder. So select the default folder and click on delete. Once done, simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.